These are my 5 ingredients for the roasted Poblano mango salsa. Here we have poblano, we have mango, tomato, lemon, and cilantro. But as big as they look, poblanos, relatively speaking, they are not extremely hot except for their guts. Let's compare heat of these chili peppers. Ironically, the biggest one is the mildest one. They are very thick-skinned. I need to roast them in order to get their skins out. You can roast them on the open flame or in a broiler. I prefer to roast them on the grill. I turn them over once. As you see, they are all getting nicely roasted up. I transfer them while they were hot into a plastic bag and let them sweat for 10 minutes. I like to peel them over a sink. Take their stalk and insides out. Give a final wash. We have nice and clean flesh of poblanos out for us to use. Using a peeler or a paring knife, peel and chop a slice of a mango. Let's bring out our roasted and peeled poblanos. You can chop them up. Let's chop up our mango. Let's chop up our cilantro, onion, let me show off my Alaskan knife. It is made out of used old saw blades. I do final chopping using this. Add some fresh lemon juice. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Give it a nice stir. And it's ready. If you like my recipe, please subscribe to my channel. Yum.